Jacob. Jacob. Jacob, look at mommy. Hi. What are you doing? You having fun camping, buddy? Huh? You can be a boy? Yeah? Okay. I know, you don't want to play with your toys, you want to play with sticks and bark. Uh-oh. What you doing? Jacob. Jacob. Jacob, look at mommy. Hey, say bye-bye. Jacob. Bye-bye. Jacob. Please. Jacob, look at mommy. Hey. Look. Hey, hey, hey. Jacob. Say bye-bye. Good job.